Here are the top 5 most deadliest and terrifying siren sounds in the world. If you ever hear one of these, it's a sign that a dangerous disaster is coming. Comment which one you think you heard before. But first, hit like and subscribe now, and you'll have insanely good luck for the rest of the week. First up, Zero Drone. If you hear this, be careful, because this is a sign that a typhoon is coming. Next, Thunderbolt 1003. Bro, if you hear this, it's a sign that a strong tornado is coming. Now, ACA Super Banshee. Bro, if you hear this, run away immediately. It's a sign that wildfire is coming towards you. Then, EOW 1212. What the heck? Why does this sound like a siren head? So scary. Finally, 2T22. Comment down below, which siren do you think is the most terrifying?